Hello, everyone. My name is Anais Matis, Health Promotion Specialist with Siouxland District Health Department, and obesity levels continue to rise in the tri-state area, with Iowa having obesity rates between 35 to 40%, and Nebraska and South Dakota at 30 to 35%. These obesity rates are higher in Hispanic and Black populations. So in Iowa, obesity percentages in the Hispanic population is 36.4%, and in the Black population, it is at 45.4%, compared to 35.3% in white non-Hispanics. Similar trends affect Nebraska and South Dakota, with Nebraska's white Hispanic obesity rate being 37.8%, Black of 41.1%, and non-Hispanic whites 33.9%. Iowa overall has the highest obesity rates in the tri-state area and joins 15 other states with high obesity rates. Obesity can be caused by a variety of factors, including physical activity, lack of a nutritious diet, and chronic diseases. But obesity and other health disparities are more common in low-income, food-insecure households. So in regards to the nutrition portion of it, individuals in the Siouxland area that participated in focus groups for our community health needs assessment mentioned that healthy food is expensive, including fruits and vegetables available at the farmers market. Data from the Behavioral Risk Factor Surveillance System, or BRFSS, from the CDC showed that only about a third of the population consumed 2 or more servings of vegetable a day. Gardening is actually a great way to grow inexpensive fruits and vegetables for your household. However, we do understand that this is not possible for everyone. Not everyone has the time, energy, resources, space, or even interest to maintain a garden every year. So knowing that information, this past spring, our Food Policy Committee partnered up with Oakleaf Properties and Siouxland District Health Department's HOPES program to offer container gardening classes to their tenants and clients. These locations were chosen based on the fact that they serve low-income, elderly, and/or disabled individuals who may have limited access to fresh fruits and vegetables, but also gardening space. Container gardening is a method of gardening using buckets or other types of containers to grow fruits and vegetables. Not much space is needed. People can use whatever type of container they have in their home as long as it is large enough, like gardening pots, buckets, even ice cream buckets. In this case, we used 5-gallon buckets for the classes. Morningside University's Dr. Thomas Paulson, D. McKenna, and ag student Jacob Jerebic led the classes and provided tomato plants from the Morningside University greenhouse. ISU Extension, Siouxland District Health Department, provided buckets, soil, tomato cages, and other materials. There was a total of 5 classes. 4 took place on Oakleaf Properties, and the other took place at Siouxland District Health Department, which was specifically for clients of our HOPES program. Throughout the classes, participants learned about container gardening and planted their own tomato plants in the 5-gallon buckets. There was a total of 45 participants overall, and all were extremely excited about getting their own tomato plants to grow. Information on container gardening and education was also provided should they want to continue to container garden in the future with other different types of plants. If you have any questions or would like to know more about container gardening, feel free to reach out to us at 712-279-6119.